Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up fingerprint time attendance. We will cover the essential steps from unboxing your device to generating your first attendance report. This guide will help you streamline your time tracking process, ensuring accuracy and efficiency for your organization. You will learn about hardware installation, employee enrollment, and effective data management, making the setup straightforward and simple. First, select an optimal location for your device, ensuring it is both secure and easily accessible for all employees. Mount the scanner at a comfortable height, typically around 45 to 50 inches from the floor. Next, connect the power adapter, verifying a consistent and reliable power source. Finally, establish network connectivity, either through an Ethernet cable for stability or via Wi-Fi for flexibility. Now, let's register your employees. Navigate to the administration menu on your device to start the enrollment process. Instruct each employee to place their finger flat on the scanner, ensuring a clear print. It is wise to register at least 2 fingers per person for backup. Assign a unique employee identification number to each profile for easy tracking and management. Finally, manage your attendance data and generate insightful reports. Regularly synchronize the attendance records with your dedicated management software. You can then generate comprehensive reports, such as daily, weekly, or monthly summaries, to track employee hours. Export this valuable data into formats like CSV or Excel for further analysis, helping you monitor punctuality, overtime, and any absences effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.